So if you want to make exe files with Python, I will show you how to do that. And then I'm also going to show you how to get applications to run with Python without having Python installed. So enjoy the video. Right, so to get started, there is a couple of things. Make a new folder and put your Python file in that folder. Make sure there's nothing else, just to prevent any problems and to just not confuse yourself later on. Then what you need to do is, if you press Shift, right click, open command window here. As you can see, the command prompt has been opened inside the folder. This is good. What we need to do is type in pip install pyinstaller. To run this command, you actually need Python installed. Then once it installs, this is what you need to do. If you type in pyinstaller --one file w and your Python file, right? If you run this command, as you can see, you're going to get basically a lot of files and 2 folders, right? Once this is done, you will be able to run your Python file as an application or as an exe. So as you can see, the basically installation to exe is done. Now all you need to do is come to dist, and as you can see, it says hi application. If you actually double click it, it might take about 5 seconds. It matters how fast your computer is. And as you can see, my program is running. Now, the only problem here is we actually need Python installed. So if you want to run this on any computer without having Python installed, watch the next part of this video. Right, so to make a Python application, this is what you need to do. You need a program called NCIS. This application is free and you can download it from the SourceForge. I'm going to leave all links in the description down below. All you need to do is just download this and install this, right? Then what you need to do is do as follows. Take your Python folder, okay, and get another folder. So create another folder. So make sure that you have 2 folders. Okay, open up your Python file wherever that is, and as you can see, I have basically the whole application. So this is what I just showed you 2 seconds ago. We made an exe together. What you need to do is literally go to the folder, highlight everything, and create a zip folder. Now I highlight zip. Don't make a rar folder or basically rar archive, as it will not work. You need a zip folder. Okay, so press OK, let it do its thing, and then transfer this archive to your folder or the new folder that I told you to create, okay? Now with this folder, what we need to do is we just need to run the NCIS program that I told you to install against this archive, okay? So I'm gonna type in NCIS on my computer, as you can see, and this is what you need to do. Installer based on zip file, open, and basically go to your folder that I told you to create, press the archive. Now, like I told you, a rar archive will not work. It needs to be a zip archive, okay? So press this archive, and as you can see, once everything loads up, as you can see, there is a couple of options that we can change. For example, installer name, interface, default folder, or output exe, and compression. Now, I'm not going to change any of these things. You can literally change it if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to press generate as I'm interested in the actual application. Now, what you're going to get is you're going to get actually the same files as this folder, right? So you're going to actually need to do one thing. But as you can see, this is my application. Now you can literally distribute this application against any computer that you want. Even if there's no Python installed, this will work, right? So let me actually demonstrate the installation. So if I press application, I allow it to run. As you can see, it is very similar to like a game that we used to install a couple decades ago, right? If you press install, as you can see, we get the same structure that our folder was before. Now, all we need to do is we just need to basically put dist, right, distribution, and literally you can drag this to your desktop, right? And then from your desktop, you can actually run this application from anywhere. So you can literally just put it anywhere you want. And as you can see, wham, bam, bam, we have our basically application that I showed you before. Right, and that'll be it for this video. Don't forget to check my other content, and I'll also leave a link to this whole guide basically in a text form on my website. So make sure to check that out in the description down below. Peace.